Hey, what's up guys? I just picked this up. It's the Skytech gaming PC, a pre-built. I got it on sale for slick deals, and we're gonna unbox it and see if the price is good enough for what parts are in there. I got my trusty knife here, power cable. Looks like it comes with the mouse, Skytech branded keyboard right there. Has like a nylon braided cable right here. Some manuals. Can't take this shit. $10 Amazon gift card. And a thermal take manual for the case it came with. Alright. So here is the PC pre-built gaming PC right here. Now I'm not a big PC gamer, but I do like to make videos and stream every now and then. But this is the PC right here. Has a stop, view your quick start guide before plugging in your new PC. But we're not gonna look at that. We're just gonna start opening it up. Tempered glass right here. Got some foam. Let me bring this in here so you can get a closer look at this. Alright, so I'm gonna list the official specs somewhere on the side here, but yeah, this is the inside of the PC. MSI RTX graphics card right there, and it comes with a Ryzen 5 AMD processor with, that's the basic fan right there that it comes with. And by the looks of this motherboard, ASRock BM450. Okay, and I believe this is the micro ATX. They don't list it on their website, but I was looking at pictures and kind of based on the back of this and the amount of RAM slots it has, 4. I think it's that. And so here are the fans right here, 1, 2, 3, and then there's one in the front. And then here we see that the cables, we're just checking to make sure they're connected properly. Pretty good cable management. You can see all the cables in there. And then this is a Barracuda Compute SSD. That one is 500 gigabytes. So here's the back side of the computer. It has, I'm thinking those are 2.0 USB slots, and the Wi-Fi right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 3.0s, Ethernet port, and then your audio mic stuff. And the graphics card has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. Here in the front of the computer we have the power button, and then RGB light right there, that's a reset button, and then 2 USB, oh that's nice, 2 USB 3.0s, a mic, and a headphone jack. So the cable management, as you can see, is pretty nice. Right here it seems like they got the tie downs pretty good right here. Over here too. Make sure nothing is loose. Okay, everything looks good. And the PSU for this, take a closer look, is gonna be a, it's upside down, but it's gonna be a 80+ rated thermal take Smart Series power supply. So pretty good right there. Let me set this up and we're gonna fire it up, see how the RGBs look. So a lot of people hate on pre-built PCs because they usually skimp out on the PSUs, or they'll skimp out on something like the RAM, or they'll skimp out on the SSD. But from what I saw on this build, what Skytech Gaming did, and for the price I paid, I feel like it was a good deal. I'm gonna run some games on here and show you guys the FPS, and we'll see how it fares. Yeah, let's get the game. Alright, so we're gonna start off by playing some Call of Duty here. This is Advanced Warfare, and we're gonna play some Warzone. I believe I have it on 1080p settings right now, so 1920 by 1080. And as you can see on the top left corner, the frames per second are around 100. I have it set to unlimited so it doesn't bottleneck, and my display, I think the maximum refresh rate for that is 60 hertz. I have it at. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? Oh, it looks like we're going to Storchtown. You could also see the CPU temperature in the top left and the GPU temperature as well. Alright, we're landing.
Primary objective is to eliminate
Coming
all
in,
targets.
trying to find some weapons. Didn't leave nothing for me. Let's see what we find over here. Nothing. Frame rates are going up. 130, 127, 29. Fluctuating around there. All teammate down. Means somebody's here. Let me go see what I can do. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Trophy system with a shotgun real quick. Let's get back up there, let's get back up there. Come on, bud.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance.
I take the back route. Ooh, spotted him. And I got it. Execution right there. Into the gulag we go.
Welcome to the gulag.
See, the frame rates are kind of going up.
To the front line, but if you lose, you're done. It's time to break some.
I swear I shot him first, but whatever. Alright, so if we go into the settings, you can see right here what I have set, 60 refresh rate, and I'm changing the aspect ratio to the native of the screen because it is a widescreen, so it's 2560 by 1080 now. And you can see the frame rates did drop a little bit because it was at 130. Now it's going down to 99, 95, waiting around the 90s to the 100s. Alright, so we got a little PUBG going on for you guys, and we're going to go into settings and change these settings, see what we got all going on here. We got everything on ultra, and we're going to do display mode full screen, and we're going to change the resolution to 1920 by 1080p. See how the game runs. I'm going to go ahead and set it. Everything's looking good, full screen, and we're going to save it. Alright, confirm. Just making sure real quick everything's good, looking good. There it goes. So the settings change there, and then we're going to go save it. Alright. Let's run a match real quick. I haven't played this in a long time. If you want to add me, go ahead and add me. I'll play Call of Duty and PUBG. Damn, they added a bunch of new maps and stuff. I haven't played this in a long time. The game does run smoother though, I'll tell you that, than Xbox. Xbox, it's like a piece of crap, so.
Where are we going, boys?
Alright, where are we gonna land? Where are we gonna land? Let's go, let's go. Drop, drop.
Where do you guys want to go?
I don't know.
Just go right here. Since
Geronimo! Let's go. This one isn't labeled like Advanced Warfare, as you can see.
oh, someone else is going here.
This is the OG Battle Royale. So, we're gonna land in this little spot here. You can see at the, I kind of switched it on you guys. It's now at the top right.
Loop around to
I
this
have the
dome.
labels for what's what. And I added a little, I think I added the RAM on here. But yeah, you can see right there the frames are at 120-ish. And you could also see in the top left too from the in-game FPS.
Let's converge on these guys.
Spotted somebody. Ooh, go. Oh, down. Let's go. Took my kill though. Let me loot his stuff real quick.
Like,
Give me them.
these guys
Oh no! Oh, I'm down.
green.
Save me, somebody. Oh no.
He's on the top of the mountain.
That's it. It's over for me.
I know.
That's it.
Calm down.
Somebody help me, please. Help me, please.
Actually, quite calm.
Lord, if you can hear me, come pick me up. Come roll. Lord, please. It takes forever to revive in this game.
Hello.
Jesus Christ.
Wait.
I'm over here trying to change the settings, and right when I change
Trying
them,
to tell you.
I die. So that's unfortunate. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and run another match so that you guys can see the fluctuation of it when we're playing at the native resolution of the monitor. Make sure to see the settings are good. Yeah, everything's looking good. I mean, it kind of, you know, by judging by the frame rate, it kind of made a little bit of a difference. If you keep it on 1080p versus the full native resolution, I kind of didn't like playing on the full resolution with Call of Duty because there was some screen tearing that would happen at the native resolution, and of course when you lowered it a little bit, it kind of fixed it. I tried to go in this room right here, but they don't let you go in this house, so it's like kind of useless. Try to get out of here, maybe go meet with my teammates. Oh, and they're shooting at me. No, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, and I get down. Yeah, this sucks. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it for me. If you liked the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, peace.